I just wanted to respond to something Sarah was talking about, how she has a certain kind of a demeanor, right? Sarah, you said she was very calm and lovely and all that, right? Okay. It was interesting to me that in the middle of this hypocritical controversy, this very calm and composed woman is not considered by the Republican Party to be what they call ambitious. They have put that label on Kamala and on Hillary Clinton, probably on me and Sonny and all of us sitting here. And yet she's not, because she conforms to the Republican agenda, so they don't think she's ambitious. It's just interesting to note things like that.
You can't have someone going for the highest court in this country and not assign it to ambition.
And also, she said that she doesn't want to be a pawn. She doesn't want to be a pawn in the middle of this. Well, then take yourself out, darling. Take yourself out and wait until Inauguration Day. Then you won't be a pawn, and then you won't be in the middle of this.
Yeah. I wish somebody had asked her whether she was able to commit to the fact that she, contrary to what we are being told by the Republicans, that she has not made up her mind. Because, you know, I always believe that when they get to the Supreme Court, they have a different connection. But for some reason, the last couple of weeks, I've just felt that there are too many things that feel already decided and set up. And I really don't like this. And so I want her to say out loud, no, I haven't made up my mind. I am willing to sit and listen to each court case that is brought before us. Because that's their job.
She did
their
say
job
that.
is not to did she say that?
She did say that, because I was covering these hearings. Yeah, I was covering the hearings for ABC News yesterday, all day. And she said that repeatedly. And that was the one thing that I will say gave me some comfort. She said, you know, I'm not going to opine on that, but I am going to keep an open mind. I'm certainly not going to opine on anything that may come before me. And so that, I think, Whoopi, that should give you some comfort, because I do agree with you. You know, there are certain people that are even on the justices that are on the bench now, like Chief Justice Roberts, who was the deciding factor in making sure that the Affordable Care Act is now covering over 100 million Americans. I don't think that the president that appointed Chief Justice Roberts ever thought that he would vote in line with the liberals on justices on the bench. So they do change their philosophies often when they're on the bench.
But remember,
well, I would like, you know, I would wait. Hold on. I would like her to say. I would like her to say then, for all of you Republican, you know, please stop saying this, because that's not my plan. You know what I mean? I want her to disabuse them of this idea that once she gets in, they got her. Because I think that would be really important to hear. Sorry, Joy, go ahead.
She hasn't done that. She won't do that. And let's not forget that Trump himself said that he would only appoint somebody who would overturn Roe v. Wade. He made that statement. I mean, you can't ignore that fact. That's where that's why he put her there. That's why she's there. Even though she says she didn't have a direct conversation with him about it, she heard him. She heard him. Come on.